You are Mr. Saran.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
you're charged with criminal trespass, facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
Law enforcement officers received a call for service where an individual stated that somebody was trying to break into her home. Officers observed the defendant matching the description given by a caller around in the area. Officers made contact with the defendant and he was identified by previous booking videos as well as his SPIN number. Officers made contact with the complainant on scene, who advised that the defendant was trying to break into her home. Complainant stated the defendant knocked on the front door, rang the doorbell, and looked through windows of the complainant's property. Complainant observed the defendant enter her backyard, stand on top of a shed to look into windows, and attempt to pull on a door handle to open the door.
And it's only a trespass.
Complainant has surveillance footage of the defendant on her property. Officers searched the defendant and found an unused pipe that officers' training experience indicates it was used for meth. Defendant stated he was a frequent user of methamphetamines. Defendant further stated that during an interview with officers that he was looking for items of value at the above residence in order to obtain money for drugs since he was currently out of money. I think that the reason it wasn't charged as a bird cab is because he wasn't actually able to make entry into the residence.
Mr. Saran,
Yes, sir.
since 2023, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now 11 in a matter of 14 months. If I find that you're using any kind of dope, I'm going to take care of it in a way that you're really not going to like it. I'm sending you now for a drug and alcohol test because I want to know what, if anything, is in your system. You're ordered not to use anything. And if I find that you do, and if I find that you become a danger to my community, I will grow a horn and tails. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm putting a GPS monitor on you so I know where you are at all times, and I don't want you out in the middle of the night.
Yes, sir.
It's time for you to stop using. I'm giving you now the opportunity to do it on your own. If you're incapable of doing it your way, then we're going to do it my way. And I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Please appoint him a lawyer. I'm sending him now for a drug test. You were to go test, and you were to come right back. I just want to know what, if anything, is in your system.
Yes, sir.
If you fail to test, if you fail to come back, I will issue a warrant. No more PR bonds. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Take a seat for me.